Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to find out square root of non-perfect square numbers by long division method. So let us start. Let me solve this first one. This is same as normal division. So let me show you. So what you need to do? First you need to make pairs. How? After decimal on this way you need to go, and before decimal you need to go on this, but you need to make pair. If you are having single term at first, then it's okay. Let me tell you here also, let me make it little bit clear. If you are having 1 2 3.45, so first of all, after decimal you need to go on this side for making pairs. Here on this side, if you are having one term, then also it's okay, but at the last, means in the beginning. Okay, so let us start with this one. First you need to make pairs. You can see now we have to take this number as pair only. We cannot take any single term. So what we have to do now? Now we have to see the nearest perfect square number less than 31. So 5 5s are 25. That is a perfect square number less than 31. If you are taking 6 6 are 36, so that will be greater. So we need to take 5 5s are, here also you need to keep 5 25. Okay, so you need to take a perfect square number less than 31. Now what you need to do? Now here again you need to subtract. That is simple. But here you need to add, guys. This is so important. So please keep in mind, here we need to add. Now as I told you, these are pairs. So every time we have to take this pair only. So now 6.56. So now after point, these terms are there. So now we are going to take point here also. Okay, if we are taking number with points or after point, then here also we need to keep one decimal. So now we have to multiply this with same number, means if you are taking here 101, then you need to multiply with 1. If you are taking 102, then you need to multiply with 2. If you are taking 103, then you need to multiply with 3 only. Let me show you. Now 101 into 1 you have to check, sorry, 1, so you will get 101. Then 102 into 2, what will happen? 4. So you can see a number less than 656 and same term should come here. So I know if I will take 106 into 6, so I will get 6 6 are 36, 3 here, 0 0 plus 3 will be 3, 6 1 are 6. So 636 is less than this. If you are taking 7, 107 into 7, then that will be greater than this. So 106 into 6. So you will get 636. Now subtract this, 0 and 2 will come here. And here you need to add. So 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1, so 1 and 1. Now again you need to, and we forgot to keep 1 6 here because we had taken 106 into 6, so we have to keep 1 6 here. Now again you are not having any decimal, but you need to take two zeros. You are not having any decimal. In normal division we are taking 1 0, but now here in long division we need to take 2 0. We have to use pairs only, guys. Okay, now if you will take 1121 into 1, then that will be 1121. If you will take 2, 1122 into 2, then that number will be greater than 2000. So we need to take 1 only, 1 1. So here you will get 1121. So here also you need to keep 1, and here you will get 9, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 2 8, so 879. But we need to find up to 2 decimal only. So let me tell you, square root of 31.56 is 5.61 approximately, guys. So this way you can find out the square root of term with decimal. Okay, so now we are moving towards the second question. Again you can see I had already made this pair. So directly, first of all, you are having only 1. So 1 1 1 will come. Okay, so what will happen? This will be 0, so now 23 will come in. And here you need to add 1 plus 1, 2. Now again you need to take same numbers here. 21 ones are 22 twos are. 22 twos are will be 44. That is greater than this. So again you need to take 21 ones are 21. So you will get remainder 2. Here you need to add 22, and here you need to keep one more because second one is there. And now you can take this decimal also 0.45. So again you need to keep point here because you have taken numbers after decimal. Now 2 to 1 ones will be 221. If you will take 2 to 2 into 2, so that will be 444, 444. That will be greater. So again you need to take 1 only. 2 to 1 into 1 will give you 221. So now again you need to subtract. So you have taken 1, so keep 1 here. Now here 4 and 2. And here you will get 2, 2, 2. Okay, now again you need to divide. After decimal we need 2 points, so now we need to put two zeros again. Every time we need to take two zeros only. So now again ones will come, because if you will multiply with 2 and 2 here, then 4000 something will come. So that is obviously greater. So 1 2 2 2 1 into 1 means 2221 into 1 will give you 2221. So you will get some remainder, but we need this. So root of 123.45 is 11.11 approximately, guys. This is approximately because we are not doing further. So this way we can find out the root of this one. Now moving towards question number 3. So again guys, we need to make pairs. So let me do that. So this will go on this side, this will go on this side. You can see here we are having 2, right? So we are getting all pairs. So now perfect square number less than 23. So what you will take? 2 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So 25 is greater than this. So we need to take 4 4s are 16. Now you will subtract this. Sorry, 13 minus 6 will give you 7 and 34 here, and here 4 plus 4 8. Now again you need to multiply same number. 81 ones are, or 82 twos are, or 83 threes are. I think 73 is here. So we will get some greater number after 6 or 7. So let me do that. 8 8s are 64. So this is greater. I think so. Let me take 8 only. 88 8s are. So you will get 64. 6 carry 8 8s are 64. 70. You can see. If I will take 89 9s are, then that number will be greater than this. So again we need to take 88 8s only. So 8 8, so 704, right? And here you need to take 8. Now subtract this 0 3. Now take this in the denominator. 30 is your remainder. So now 3057. You need to add one decimal here, and now here you need to add 8 plus 8 16, carry 196. Now again you need a number nearby this. So I can see this 961 ones will be nearby 900, 962 twos will be nearby 1800. So you need 3000. So 3 will work for this. 936, oh sorry, 963 into 3. So you will get 963 18, carry 1, 27 and 28. So you can see 2889. So you need to take this 3 here. So here also 3, and you will get 2889. Now you can subtract 17 minus 9 will give you 8. 14 minus 8 will give you 6. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. And so two zeros after that. And here also you need to add 6, 6 and 9. Now 9661 into 1 will give you nearby 9000. 9662 into 2 will give you nearby 18,000. So We need 16,800, so we need to take 1 only, so you will get 9661, and here also 1. Now we don't want subtraction and all, just we got a root of this up to 2 decimals, so we can say root of 2334.57 is equals to 48.31 approximately. So guys, this way we can find out the root of any term having decimal number. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.